Want to automate messages via WhatsApp or Telegram in Make? Let me show you how to do it in just a few clicks using Jetapi. In Make, create a new scenario and choose a trigger. For example, a webhook, Google Sheet update, or scheduler. Now search for Jetapi and choose the module depending on the messenger you want to use, WhatsApp or Telegram. Before using Jetapi, authorize your messaging channels. For WhatsApp, scan the QR code and wait for contacts and chats to sync. Don't close the app until it's done. For Telegram, use the By Phone Number tab. Enter your number and enter the code you receive. Add your password if you have two-factor authentication. Once connected, the accounts will be ready for sending messages. Go to your Jetapi dashboard, copy your bearer token, and paste it when adding a connection in Make. Now configure the message. For WhatsApp, enter the recipient's phone number and your message. For Telegram, you can use a phone number, a Telegram username, or a Telegram user ID, personal or group, whichever is available. Try Jetapi free at jetapi.io. Works with WhatsApp, Telegram, and more right inside Make.